How to add a filter in Excel pivot table. A pivot table is great for summarizing everything, but sometimes you only want to see one specific slice, like a single month, a specific product category, or one hardware component. You don't want to rebuild the table every time you change your mind. Today, I'm showing you the fixed way to add filters and slices to your pivot table in under 2 minutes. Right then, so the first one is the filter area. So you can look at your pivot table fields list on the right side of the screen, which is right here. Right, and find the field you want to use as a filter, for example, category or status. In my case, I will just use units sold, for example. And then just click and drag that field into the filters box at the bottom right. So just take your units sold, in my case that is, and then drag it all the way to filters, right? Let me grab that. I'm here. There you go. Right, and you'll notice that a new row will appear at the top of your pivot table. In my case, it's right here, as you can see, units sold. You can also click on the drop down, as you can see right over here, and select the items you want to see, and then hit OK. So you can either select all, and then also apply select multiple items and hit OK. If you need to select more than one, make sure to check the select multiple items, just like I did, box at the bottom of the list. Okay, and now the slicer. So if you want a more professional, interactive look, you can skip the standard filter and use a slicer. So click anywhere inside your pivot table. Alright, and after that you go to Pivot Table Analyze, right here on the top, and click Select Slicer, or Insert Slicer, right here. Choose your field. In my case, it's going to be units sold, just like before, and click OK. Alright, and as you can see now we have this new interface. So this will add a floating panel of buttons to your sheet. Clicking a button filters your table instantly. It's faster, more visual, and perfect for high-performance dashboards where you need to switch views on the fly. So just click on one, and then you will get your filter. Alright, and filters are your navigation systems for big data. If this filtering fix helped you organize your data today, hit like and subscribe.